In previous topic we have discussed about certain kinds of pollution. Now we are going to discuss, we were left in impacts and solutions. Let us discuss impacts. What are the impacts of air pollution? First of all, first pollution is air pollution. What are the impacts of air pollution? There are many harmful effects of air pollution, whether they are directly affecting humans or indirectly. They affect the humans, they affect all living organisms. Even if air is polluted, means we are polluted. If air is polluted, we breathe the air, we breathe air, or we inhale air, and our lungs get weaker. Our lungs get weaker. We are having different diseases because of air pollution. Directly affect humans. It causes like asthma, sore eyes, bronchitis, lung cancer, headache, dizziness, and cough. These all are because of polluted air. Bronchitis is the kind of tract disease, means the breathing disease. The lung cancer, headache, dizziness. We feel dizzy, or we always feel dizzy because of the unhealthy air. Whenever you visit muddy or hilly areas, you feel fresh because of healthy air. When we are not healthy air, we feel dizzy, we always feel sleepy. Then air pollution also reduce visibility, which could be dangerous during driving. Means if you are driving and have you ever seen smog? What is smog? It is a mixture of fog and smoke, and it is creating problem for drivers too. So what should we do in these circumstances? The following measures can be taken to reduce air pollution. Factories should be constructed far away from the industrial residential areas. Means these industrial areas be far away houses. Then better use public transport and cycle for traveling. Means we should use public transport. A lot of vehicles are there on the roads. That's why in European countries, people prefer to use public transport. They are having cards in their jacket, they are having cards in their pockets, and they use public transport. And in the result, what happens? Obviously, their emitters of smoke is less there. Then better use of public transports, and should use cycle for traveling, and it is very healthy. China is having a lot of population, but they use cycles. They prefer cycles. And we use cycles when we get bulky, or when we are overweight, or when we are obsessed. Then planting more trees can be helpful to reduce air pollution. If we plant more trees, we get more oxygen. Do you know a mature tree can provide oxygen to 18 people, or enough oxygen to 18 people, a mature tree. So trees bring balance by producing oxygen and consuming carbon dioxide. All the carbon dioxide that is mixture of one part of carbon, CO2, the gas we have discussed in previous topic. CO2 mixture of carbon, two parts of carbon plus one part of oxygen. तो वो क्या करता है, trees inhale them and exhale oxygen. As a result, we get fresh air. We should save fossil fuels energy resources to reduce air pollution. We should save fossil fuel energies, otherwise they will be used. Environmental awareness campaigns should be launched. We should launch environmental campaigns through media, banners, etc., etc. Then water pollution. What are the impacts of water pollution, and what are the impacts of water pollution? Causes many harmful diseases. Means if we drink water, what will happen? Our stomach gets disturbed. We are having certain diseases. We maybe cholera, diarrhea, gastrointestinal intestinal diseases, gastrointestinal diseases, and intestinal diseases. Gastrointestinal, we are having gas troubles, especially we are having intestinal diseases. Our intestines get disturbed. Pakistan is one of those developing countries where most of the population doesn't have clean drinking water. We are living in Rawalpindi, Alhamdulillah. So we are having better water facilities as compared to other cities of the Pakistan. If you move towards Lahore, if you move towards Karachi, you can see unhealthy and unclean water there, and a lot of problems, a lot of unhealthy get sick in different seasons, get sick, and they are having seasonal troubles. For example, diarrhea is there in this season, especially in August. Nowadays rainy season is there in Karachi, and we will see different certain diseases after few days. Then what else? In industrial areas, toxic waters released into nearby streams, well, river, lakes, and ocean. It kills aquatic life, and aquatic life is very important for human survival too. Crabs, Indus dolphin, etc. Crops, vegetables, fruits, and plants irrigated by these polluted streams or rivers become poisonous for human health. Means they are getting poisonous. Polluted water creates gastrointestinal disorder and skin problems. Addition of oil in the oceans immediately kills aquatic organism. Mean our aquatic organisms are going to be killed. They are endangered. uh, Oil floating at ocean surface coats the feathers of birds and fur of mammals. It ultimately kills them. Means uh, if oil is there on means oil cannot be mixed into the water properly, so it floats over the surface of the ocean. All the animals or the birds which are on the ocean floor, or which moves or which travels or which float on the ocean floor, they get mixed with the oil, and their feathers get mixed or coats with the oil, and then they couldn't move from that oil, and they are endangered there, and they might be killed there. Means वो नहीं निकल सकेंगे तो they might be killed there. Then solution, what should be taken, what kind of solution should be there, and what measures to avoid water pollution. Water pollution can be reduced in no factory be allowed to discharge its waste into streams or rivers without treatment. Pakistan is having the problem that we are having industries. We allow different industrialists to make industries or to establish industries, but we don't check their water. We don't check their working. We give them license, but we allow them to leave their water or to release their water directly into the water channel. We should stop then before issuing the license for making an industry or establishing an industry. A license of treatment should be there. मतलब ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे तो आप पानी छोड़ सकते हैं, वरना आप गंदा पानी नहीं छोड़ सकते. बाहर के ममालिक में क्यों नहीं है इस तरह पोल्यूशन? बिकॉज दे डोंट इशू लाइसेंसेस. वो लाइसेंस ही नहीं देते उन्हें. And then lesser use of pesticides and fertilizers. We must use lesser fertilizer. Then water should be conserved by turning off the tap when not required. हम क्या करते हैं, पानी खोल के नीचे ब्रश कर रहे होते हैं, पानी खुला होता है, ज़ाया होता रहे. हमारा तो है ना भाई, किसी का नहीं है तो क्या हुआ. अगर हम इसको सेव करेंगे तो हमारी फ्यूचर जनरेशन ही इस्तेमाल करेगी. ये हमारे साइकी कभी भी नहीं बन सकती. हम पानी इसलिए गिराते हैं, किसी को मना करें ना तो अगर कहते हैं सारा पानी मेरी वजह से गिरा हुआ है. अगर आप एक छोटी सी हैबिट देखें, नहाएंगे आप बाद में और पानी जो है वो उस पर वो कर देते हैं. सन वी शुड लॉन्च डिफरेंट कंपेन्स. एटलीस्ट आवर स्टूडेंट शुड बी प्रिपेयर टू लॉन्च डिफरेंट कंपेन्स कि आपने टैप ऑन नहीं करना इतना. मतलब आपको जब पानी चाहिए आप ज़रूर इस्तेमाल करें, डजंट मीन कि पानी बंद कर दें, लेकिन इतना टैप ना चलाएं कि वो बंद बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो जाए. आप अगर सोच रहे हैं 10 के साथ 20, 20 के बाद 30, 30 के बाद 40 लोग अगर ये सोच रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली, तो क्या होगा, वाटर हमें लेस क्वांटिटी में रह जाएगा. Then we shouldn't allow have we discussed the previous one? Yes. Then we shouldn't throw litter into the rivers. This is our habit. उस दिन मैं ईद के बाद यहाँ से जा रही थी, तो जहाँ हम आगे जाके ना यहाँ से एक नाला जाता है, तो उसके अंदर वो सब की सब आलाइशें जितनी पड़ी हुई थी जानवरों की, वो उसके अंदर पड़ी हुई थी. जितना कूड़ा है ना, हम लोग फ़ख्र महसूस करते हैं, छत पे खड़े होकर ना वो लिफाफे में डाल के नीचे फेंक देते हैं. तो ये साइकिल जब तक हमारी डेवलप नहीं होगी ना, रिवर्स और स्ट्रीम्स में पानी गंद फेंकने की, उस वक्त तक हम फ्रेश वाटर और साफ़ वाटर ले ही नहीं सकते, रियली नहीं ले सकते. अगर आप 10 यहाँ फेंक रहे हैं, एक या 22 करोड़ पूरी पाकिस्तान की आवाम में 10 लाख है, हो सकता है और 10 लाख को सेंसिबल कर दे. सो व्हाट वी शुडंट थ्रो इनटू द रिवर. हम छली खाई हम फेंक देते हैं, वो होता है आगे कहीं उसको हम कर रहे हैं. हमें पानी घरों में मिलता है, आपका क्या ख्याल है? उसको ट्रीटमेंट करके दिया जाता है, होता वही जिसका गंद जो होता है वो. Pollution. What are the impacts of soil pollution? A number of pollutants enter into the surface of water, groundwater, and air, ultimately harm the human beings in the number of ways. कैसे? Salts, petroleum products, heavy metals, in agriculture, fertilizers, spray, and other sources of pollution. They are other sources of pollution too. While spilling and leakage of underground storage tank of harmful chemicals. Salinity also makes soil unfit for growing crops. And with decrease in agriculture produce, humanity will suffer. Really, if pollution of the means, if leakage is there, if gasoline products are there, if petroleum products are there, if chemicals are released into the soil, what will happen? Obviously our human beings or humanity will suffer. Then solution: proper disposal of waste should be there. We must not throw the litter on the ground, which ultimately pollutes the air. Dumps of water material should be far away. Residential area से बहुत दूर कूड़ा होना चाहिए. हम लोग फेंकते कहाँ हैं जहाँ पे सब रह रहे हो. There should be less use of pesticide, insecticide in agriculture activities. In environmental awareness campaigns make people, especially the farmers, aware of effects of soil harmful effects of soil pollution and chemicals thrown by factories. Do you know awareness campaigns should be there? Means people are not aware enough, especially farmers, especially people, even the people living in cities or the people in living in rural areas, they are not aware by the dangers. So we should launch activities to make them aware. Then noise pollution impacts. Noise pollution is actually a slow poisoning for human nerves. Really, we are getting irritated. We are having anxieties. We are having depressions. We are having angers. We are having discomfort of sleep, and we are always having hypertension, BP, blood pressure. क्या है? यही है. हेडेक, इंक्रीज हार्ट बीट, नर्व स्ट्रेस एंड टेंशन. हर वक्त टेंशन रहती है किसी ना किसी चीज़ की बिकॉज ऑफ नॉइज पोल्यूशन. घर में शोर होता है, बाहर शोर होता है, हम चीखते हैं. देन सोल्यूशन: proper noise silencer should be used in vehicles. There should be less use of horns. Horns नहीं use करने चाहिए. Industries, airports and major bus terminals should be constructed far away. दूर दूर घर इनके पास अलाउ ही नहीं होना चाहिए घर बनाना. Otherwise deafness is there. School, colleges and universities areas should be in silent zone. Schools, colleges and universities areas, they all should be in silent zone. Otherwise we will be affected. How will we be affected? If noise is there, if we are disturbed. आप पढ़ रहे हैं और आपके सामने कोई ज़ोर ज़ोर से दरवाज़ा बजा रहा है, आप नहीं पढ़ सकते. चलें पढ़ना है तो कोई तो दूर की बात है ना, वो तो चले स्टूडेंट्स नहीं पढ़ते हैं. आप टीवी देख रहे हैं, आप कोई और अपनी मर्ज़ी का काम कर रहे हैं और आप सो रहे हैं और आप ज़ोर ज़ोर से कोई ढोल बजाना शुरू कर दें, तो अब डिस्टर्ब होगी ना. जब स्लीप डिस्टर्ब होगी तो अगले दिन गुस्सा आएगा, और जब गुस्सा आएगा तो एंग्जाइटी बढ़ेगी, हाइपर टेंशन होगी, हेडेक. सो दीज आर the causes there. See, these are the certain impacts there. So we should adopt certain measures to avoid all these problems. Thank you.